What's up, guys? Welcome back. So I had some issues with the post office. Make a long story short, I got the package. I'll show you guys in a minute. So I got the interior dash piece from Chrome and Carbon, all right, and the little centerpiece where the shifter's at. I got that too. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it right now, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks compared to, because I got some Dyna Performance. I'll show you guys my interior before I even install that, so you guys can see if it matches, in case you have some stuff from Dyna Performance. But real quick, that is the package that it came in. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox that, and then I'll get right back to you guys. Check it out, guys. Here it is right here. This is the shifter piece and the dash piece. Now this piece right here, this clip was broken off, so I'm gonna try to install it without obviously gluing this on and see how it fits. You might not even need it, but I'm gonna install it and then we'll go on from there. This one has some little scratches just like that one, but it is what it is. So this one right here, I might not install this. I might just leave the Dyna Performance 3M that I have on, but we'll see, guys. All right, guys, so real quick, just want to show you guys the carbon fiber that I do have at the moment. So everything that you're gonna see now is from Dyna Performance. It's got the door handle, the thing around the door handle. I got the power by the power windows, by the switches right here all the way. Okay, now this is on all 4 doors, guys. So I got them on that side too, so you can see, and in the back 2 doors as well. Now for right here, I got this right here, goes all the way up. I got the climate controls, good angle, there you go. All right here, goes all the way down. I got this right here by the center console. All that, guys. Got the little piece back here. Oh, little piece right here as well. So we're gonna go ahead, maybe swap this piece out right here with the other one, maybe not, we'll see. I'll see right in a minute. But we're gonna try to take this piece off right here. I got to be a little bit extra careful than you guys, because I got my little wire right here that has my lighting, so I have to be a little bit extra careful. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and try to take this off, and I'll get back to you guys once it's off. Any problems I'll have, I'll let you guys know, so that way you guys don't do the same mistakes I do if I can't take it off the correct way. All right, guys, so I took off my little fiber wire that goes all in through there. So now I'm gonna start from this side and start trying to unclip it. I know there's like some really big clips here, 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 and here. So I'm gonna try to unclip it. I already popped this little piece out right here, the little side, but I'm gonna keep going. I'll let you guys know how it turns out. Okay, guys, so really quick, I pried it off from this side right here, right? And then I kept prying it down here, popped off, very good, no issues. After that, like this, I start like popping off more, so I just grab my hand and just start, you know, and then I grab my, you won't need pry tools, so grab my pry tool and just, you know, like if you kind of like a can opener, bro, and then you just go all the way around. And then I went all the way around, and it's, bro, like 10 minutes, like taking me like 10 minutes to take it all off. I just need this little piece right here, and then that's it, and I'm done. So it's not even that hard, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, guys, so far so good, no issues, like I said. So let's see how it turns out. All right, guys, I took it off. There's a screen right there, you know what I'm saying? There's everything that came back there, right? There's the gauges, everything, and boom, there's all that. All right, guys, so everything's completely taken off. There's my little fiber wires. Looks like that is a little projector pin right there that gives me my lighting. Other than that, guys, that's really about it. This I know you're gonna have to take these off your vents and switch them over to your new dash. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and install the other one, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, guys, the dash is installed. I will go over it in a minute to show you guys pros and cons, I guess. Working on this piece right now. As you can see, it's already carbon fiber. This is from Dyna Performance. I'm going to put both of them side by side to see which one I like more, to see if I should replace it or not. So I might or might not, but just showing you guys real quick how to take this off. All right, first you're just going to pull on the leather part of the shifter and pull up all the way around. this whole little bezel piece is gonna pop up. This clip will be attached to this clip in here, right? That's what, you know, powers this on and all that. Okay, it's a little push clip, so you're gonna have to push down on the piece that was right here that like locks it. So you push down on it and then pull out. This pops off. After this, there's a screw right here, right around, like you can't see, it's like right here, which is a T20 screw. Okay, got the drill right here, got the T20. Okay, you're gonna screw, obviously unscrew that, and then this whole piece will lift up. Once this piece lifts up, okay, you are able to take this out. And after you're done switching or whatever, you just do everything in reverse and put everything back how it was, guys. All right, so right now I'm gonna drill this, and then I'll swap pieces, and I'll decide which one I like more. I'll get back to you guys in a minute to show you guys my whole setup, guys. All right, guys, there you go. I took it off. See, there's this piece. Oh, what the hell? It's kind of wet and stuff. There's that piece right here. That's where the shifter sits on. You just plop it out once you take off the screw that's right there in that hole, and then you should be able to take it off. Here is the shifter itself, right? Sorry for the lighting, guys. Shifter right here, everything that goes, you know what I'm saying? Pop this out, screws right there, and this comes off, and then you can take this piece off, guys. I'm gonna take this piece off, see which one I like more, and I'll be right back. What up, guys? So the install is completely done. I installed everything. Like I said, there's pros and cons. This is the second product I got from Chrome and Carbon. So is it all good? No. Is it all bad? No. Like I said, it's positive and negative things about it. It depends on the type of person you are and what you want. Would I prefer it to be better? Yes. For the price it costs and what it is, I expect it to be way better than what it is. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys the fitment, how it looks, everything. Which overall, now that I have the dash piece with this part down, you know, all this, it flows way better, looks way better. But like I said, there are issues. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys the issues that I came across when installing this. So let's get started with that, guys. There's a bee. Oh hell no, bro. I don't know where he went. Fuck. All right, so let's start with the dash. All right, so pros is it looks great. It does look good when you're sitting back and you're just looking at it. Like it looks. Oh my god. All right, so when you're sitting back and you're actually like looking at the dash, it does look really well. It does look good. You know, it gives it a different feel when you drive your car now, or to me, you know, especially with this, all, like I said, all this down here. So the look is good. It looks great. All right, second thing that is really good is, like, if you guys know Dyna Performance carbon add-ons and stuff like that, this piece right here that goes around like the cluster and stuff like that, all this whole piece, they don't offer like 3M for like all this piece right here. So a pro for this is that it actually goes all the way around and makes it look OEM. So that's a big plus right there, you know what I'm saying? So it looks good. All right, let's get that out the way. Like I said, it does look good. Now there are some cons, guys. So there is one con. I'm gonna go 3 cons. Let's just say 3 cons. Overall, I say get it if you really are wanting that carbon fiber look, especially like a straight up, hold on, my bad, especially like a straight replacement. So for number one, the number one con will be like little minor defects and cosmetic damages. Okay, so right here, so like, let me see, can you guys see that? I don't think you can. Right there, yep, right there where my thumb's at, that's one. All right, there's little, you can't see these, but there's like little pieces around where I'm pointing at that are bad. I think there's one up here, I think like right, yep, right, like right there is another one. There's a big one over here. You guys should be able to pick all that up. All right here, like it has damages. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm gonna message them. If they send me another one, cool. If they don't, cool, whatever, you know what I'm saying? I just like the carbon fiber look, so that's why I got it. Makes me feel good, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just a good feeling. Like, as a driver, you know, and you do mods to your car, it's a good feeling. Number 2 is fitment. All right, so it fits so like, I'm gonna say, like, out of 100% fitment, I'll give it like a 95 just because of this. Look, so right here, big old gap. Look at that gap. Like, it's a big gap, you know what I'm saying? All right here, and it goes up to here. So like, come on, so it goes all the way up, like right there and there. So let me turn it on real quick. So that part right there doesn't really bother me. I'm gonna show you guys right now to see if you guys can see the angle, the way I'm looking at it. Oops, turn it down so you guys can see the angle of what I'm talking about. So like from right here, I don't know if you guys can really see that, the letters are like cropped off from the bottom, right? Because the fitment sits a little too high, you know, so I can't put it down, I can't do anything with it. So like, it is what it is. Obviously, if you look like that, it's fine. It's just the fitment right here should have been a little bit more down. But other than that, that's about it. Is it a big deal? No. Like I said, overall it's a good thing. Like how it's all OEM, like it looks nice, right? There's another little stuff that it comes with, like it came with the broken clip. You know, some stuff in the back that clip on are a little flimsy, not gonna lie, but overall I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Like 8 out of 10. Like the dash piece, just give it an 8 out of 10. All right, so we're gonna get that out the way. Dash is done. Do I like it? Yes. Overall, good. Do I recommend you buy it? Yes. Just wait and get it on sale. It is not worth 500 bucks. Now remember, you get 2 pieces with that 500. It's a set. You get that, and then you get this piece right here. All right, so as you guys can see, this piece is all it looks good, you know what I'm saying? It looks good. This right here is from Dyna Performance. Dyna Performance quality is a little bit better, but then again, they're not making actual OEM replacement pieces. So yeah, so that's why theirs looks good, because just 3M backing, and this is a little different. So this one looks good, actually. I'm not gonna lie. Now from some angles, like it actually looks like if it's like a little foggy or faded. Like right here, it gets a little foggy or faded. And there's a scratch back here. I think you guys can pick that up. A little scratch right there. But that's really about it for this piece. I mean, there's not a lot. Like there's little piece right here. Like there's little stuff like that. Honestly, guys, it's more quality control than anything. But I did swap it out because you guys know I had the Dyna Performance one before. The only reason I swapped it out was because of the fact that the Dyna Performance has like grooves, because it's 3M that you got to play, so it doesn't look OEM. This does, so that's why I swapped it out. But yeah, guys, do I recommend this? Yes, I do recommend it. But like I said, be aware and be prepared for the fitment, some little broken pieces, clips, and cosmetic damages. I messaged them. I don't know what they have said yet. They haven't replied to me. I don't know what what's going on. What I buy from them, again, depends on what the product is, you know what I'm saying? But overall, I give it, like I said, the whole set, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. The only reason it's getting 8 out of 10 is fitment and cosmetic damages, guys. This is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. I appreciate it. See you guys in the next video, guys.